I can't wait till I get you on the floor, good looking.
Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is 𝐻𝐿, and if you're new here and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? Today's video is sponsored by Curlyme hair. They sent me over their new 𝐿-𝐂𝐀𝐏 construction wig and I'm kind of obsessed. It's a 9x6 closure and it comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut with HD invisible lace and removable combs. That's a game changer for me because y'all know I'm always cutting combs out of wigs, so this way I can just remove them, and if I want to use it I can pop it back, which is great. I'm not gonna lie, I really love this cap construction. I feel like it's super innovative. It contours behind the ear so it's really comfortable when you wear it. It has a great quality elastic band with like that grip material on it, and they even send you additional clips and elastic bands in case you lose the ones that the wig comes with. They kind of thought of everything, and it almost feels like they really created this wig with like wig wearers in mind. It was so comfortable to wear and easy to put on. The install was super easy. All I had to do was like pop the wig on my head, literally. It even came pre-hot combed, girl. Like it was insanely easy. I have a pretty low hairline on the sides, so I had to trim a little bit of the hair off in the middle, but it was pre-plucked enough to where my hairline was still giving, even though I had to trim a little bit of the baby hair area off, and I love that for me. As you guys can see, the background's a little bit different today. I'm actually filming this video on vacation, so I did not have time to be trying to do a full-blown wig install. I was so happy that this was like really easy to do. I would even get this wig in multiple textures for a vacation because literally all you have to do is pop it on and pop it off. Like, girl, they might have did something with this one. So to install it, I'm going in with my Ebin lace spray, and like I said, I'm in a rush, girl. I don't have time to be doing all the pleasantries. So I'm just spraying this on my hairline. I didn't even wear a wig cap under this wig. That's how easy it was. Like, I literally just popped it on. I'm kind of shook. I know I keep saying that. I'm not even telling y'all at this point. I'm just a little shook. But I went ahead and sprayed it pretty heavily on my hairline, placed the lace down on top, and then I went in with a little bit more just at the very tip of the lace to kind of sandwich it in, and I get the best hold when I apply my wigs like this. I was on vacation for a couple of days and I didn't want to have to reinstall it, and it worked out perfectly. It came with a cute little Gucci-esque melting band. I'm not mad at it. So I popped her on, and then I went in with my hot comb and just hit the top just a little bit. I wanted it to fall towards my face, so I just kind of hot combed everything to frame my face. Literally took me 2 seconds, and then I'm gonna trim her up just a tad bit. So I'm going in with my shears and trimming off about 1 inch to 1.5 inches off the bottom. I like when the ends of my straight wigs are super clean cut. I like for it to look like I just got my ends clipped when I wear a wig. It just does something for me. And then I'm parting off a section from the crown of my head to my ear, and I'm adding some layers up in there. Because it's a straight wig, I want the bottom to be as heavy as possible in the back, so I'm not going to add any layers in the back, just to these 2 front sections. And I'm not quite trying to go Aaliyah, but I want these layers in the front to hit just to kind of frame my face a little bit. So I'm taking my shears and kind of opening and closing them really fast and dragging it down the hair to kind of get a 45-degree angle cut. And since I didn't want to go too heavy with the layers, so I started at about like my neck length, whereas if I wanted to go a little bit heavier with the layers, I'll start as high as like my cheekbone. But we chilling today. We just wanted a little bit of a long layer moment, and as you can see, the cut just kind of frames my face really pretty without me having to do too much. The name of the game today is easy, and for that reason I did not go in with any baby hairs. I know. Who is she? Who are me? I don't even know myself right now. This is like my 3rd no baby hair install recently, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm not mad at it. I'm learning restraint. I feel like for certain looks, it adds to it, and for certain looks, it would take away. I feel like this lace was laid perfectly, and the style is really giving 90s. And I feel like with this style in the 90s, the girls wouldn't have went too crazy with the baby hair. Because I know me personally, when I have a fresh silk press, I don't want to put no product on my edges. Is that just me? I feel like it weighs my hair down. So I feel like this is like giving fresh silk press in the 90s, and she don't need no baby hair. We gonna chill. I just went in with my 1-inch Babyliss flat iron to kind of silken the hair out and add a little bit of bump to the bottom, just to accentuate the layers that we already put in it. And this is the finished look. This install took me literally less than 10 minutes. I tried to leave in as much footage as possible so you guys can see exactly what I did to install it, but it literally came ready to go. Absolutely love this wig. If you're interested in checking it out, the link will be down below in the description bar for you guys, as well as any coupon codes that I have, because the sales have been sailing, okay? I'm here for it. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, babes.